So I picked up a bunch of wine bottles and I got a really good deal on them. At least I thought. There's a little bit of work that had to go into these things to finally clean them out. So we scrubbed them with soap and water, and that wasn't doing the trick. But I did find something that did work. And unfortunately, I didn't get the whole start to finish on video. But I figured about halfway through, once this method was really working out well, that I should share it. So here's what I ended up doing. I mean, here's a couple of befores, and you can see some leftover sediment on the side of the wine glass. And probably the bottle that was giving me the most grief had a ton of sediment stuck on the bottom. And here you can see it about halfway through the process. I've already done this like 2 or 3 times to this bottle. And you can see all the floaties in the glass or in the bottle. The bottom is absolutely just caked full of dried sediment. So here's what I did to get these bottles cleaned off. Use PPE, use caution. We're using lye here, so at your own risk, that kind of disclaimer, whatever. You can pick up this granulated lye at any hardware store. I think people use it for soap making and also cleaning drains. I'm not even 100% sure. I know I was using it for cleaning drains and happen to have this thing kicking around. So I just took a spoon, plastic spoon. I had some rubber gloves, put those on, and put about 2 spoons like you see here into each bottle. I then took and shook them up and let them sit for about an hour, rinsed them out, and a majority of the stuff came out. Then this is the part here, what you're seeing in the video, is me repeating the process and doing it for a second time. The second round here, I just let it sit on the counter overnight. Here's what it looked like the next day. As you can see, anything that was stuck on the sides of the bottle, it's disintegrated, it's gone. And the stuff that was caked on and dried along the bottom, everything just released with a shake and a rinse out. I did find, though, the neck, I did have to take the scrub brush back out after I'd rinsed it out and get that out. But then it came off like butter. It just, no problem getting it out of there. I shook it up and I rinsed them about probably three to 5 times per bottle until I felt really comfortable they were clean. So they actually went into the dishwasher clean. My only intention with the dishwasher was to really make sure that I have no residue lye anywhere inside of that bottle. So I feel comfortable doing this. It's up to you guys if you want to use this method or not, but it definitely disintegrates the sediment. If there's others out there that have had more experience with this, or any experts that want to chime in, feel free to do so. For me, I think it's a win. You guys be the judge.